Hello everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix problem with what I call dizzy texture. So have a look. Right here we can see that the texture is pretty sharp, but right here it starts to be kind of dizzy. You can see that it's blue red, it's shaken, whatever, shaken, and you notice that certain objects are repeated. And how to do this analyzation of this thing? You use alignment tool to do this, and you look right here into this windows. Look, here I have those two pieces of paper. For some reason two, but I know that it was only one. It was only one. And if you look at those images right here, you can see that yes, it is only one. But for some reason, it's duplicated in the texture of my model. So how to fix this? First off, you place your control point in 3D view right here. Then you go to images. It will be all suggested. It will be all green here. And you manually assign them to the geometrical center of this certain element of your image that you use as control point reference. I suggest you to use either super white contrast pieces or super black. So I go through all the images that are suggested right here. It will be a list of green images, and you click pluses everywhere, and you place it to geometrical center of this element. In my case, it's right here. After that, you rerun all the alignment process, modeling and texturing, and you will get the following result. I'm showing you this live as a result of the work. You see no more duplicates of this paper in the texture. And right now I'm gonna be showing you how to fix this step by step, just like an example. So let's search for area that is okay. Here we go. Look, you see, it's already visible. You see, it's dizzy texture. You know that your image was sharp enough, but in 3D model it's dizzy. So let's follow all the steps. First off, you switch to certain model mode that is preferable. Then you place it right here, and you can see that you see the paper right here on images is single paper, and here it points not on paper. Look, it points not on paper here, and also here it points not on paper. But if you point at ghost paper right here, it points at the actual paper in your photos. So let's place our control point right here, and this is exactly what I told you to do. Click pluses everywhere, and go through all the images that are suggested and place it into geometrical. You see, it's not quite visible right here, so we are going to ignore it to prevent false. You see, it's like super contrast image. See, if you click, you can see that it's white. It's very visible. And you keep doing this, even if it's shaky, you can clearly see in this high contrast mode that you are placing it into exact super contrast point. It's either super white or it's super black. So I think that it will be right here, dispositioned, I think. Yes, you can see that it's dispositioned. We're placing it into a proper position. So usually in alignment there are at least 2 segments that should be aligned. In my case, I can see a series of images with 4 number and 5 number, and I can see that the series of images with 5 number they are not aligned properly. So I do this manually, and after that this ghost, this dizziness should be gone. Okay, here we go. And don't forget to give proper names for your control points. In my case, I use it stage number 9, and because I don't have any other control points, I don't use any numbers after this underscore. And this is a component 0. I highlighted right here. It's not necessary, it's just for convenience. Then I press start, and it will do alignment again, modeling and texturing. If you are interested in my next videos, one of my next videos, I can show you how to fix problems when, for example, you use control points and you combine 2 components, and instead of proper component you get some bumps, you get some holes, and those weird things. So 4731. Now let's have a look. As you can see, no more dizziness. You see a single piece of paper. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a good time, and bye-bye, and have a good time. See you later in the next video about something very interesting, or maybe not very interesting. Bye-bye.